These earrings are so beautiful. To start making these, you will need 3-inch headpins, 2 of them. You'll need 30 2-inch headpins, 2 citrine nuggets that are center drilled from top to bottom. You will need Swarvorski crystals, and these are in like a light topaz, blue, and a light green. 2 leverbacks. You'll need round nose pliers, flush cutters, bent chain nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. Let's work on our little clusters. We're going to take a head pin, put it through our crystal, and at the very top of our crystal, I'm going to put my fingernail there. Then I'm going to bend it all the way back until it's 90 degrees. I'm going to come in with my flush cutters and cut 1 centimeter away from the top of my crystal from this point. Then I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers, take the end of my wire and roll it towards me. Adjust and roll again until I have my simple loop. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Take my head pin, take my crystal, put my fingernail at the top of the crystal, push the wire to the back until I have 90 degrees. Then I'm going to come in with my flush cutters and cut 1 centimeter away from the top of the crystal. Use my round nose pliers, pinch it right at the very end, and roll towards me. Readjust my pliers and roll until I have my loop. So we're going to do this 30 times to make our cluster. Fingernail on the top, bend, cut, and roll. Readjust my pliers and roll. We have all 30 simple looped. Now we're going to take our big citrine nugget, put the 3-inch head pin through it, and just stack on our crystals, 15 on each side. Because these earrings are a little weighty and they have a lot of crystals on them, we need to wire wrap the top. We're not going to make a simple loop. We're going to go with a wire wrap. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to use your chain nose pliers. You're going to pinch down at the top of the bead. Then you're going to take your wire and bend it all the way to the back, so you have a 90-degree angle. Then you're going to come in with your round nose pliers and you're going to bring it right where you made your bend. Pinch it down Bring the wire up, over, down. Then you're going to rotate your pliers so they're stacked one on top of the other, like that. Then you're going to take your wire to the back, straighten out, and remove your pliers. And there you have your loop. So let's do the other side. Okay, so what we're going to do is shake it down a little. Come in with our bent chain nose pliers, pinch it down at the top of our bead, and bring the wire to the back. So we have our 90-degree angle. Then we're going to come in with our round nose pliers and pinch it down right where we made our angle. Then we're going to come up with our wire, over and down. Then we're going to rotate our pliers so they're stacked one on top of the other. Bring the wire to the back and straighten out. And there's our second loop. We're going to come in with our chain nose pliers and pinch the loop down that we just made. Using our bent chain nose pliers, we're going to wire wrap around. I went around 3 times. Then I'm going to cut off the excess. And then I'm going to pinch the burr down that's sticking out. Let's finish wire wrapping this side. I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made, come in with my bent chain nose pliers, and wrap around. I went around 3 times, and now I'm going to cut off the excess, coming down as close as I can, and then snip. Then I'm going to pinch my burr down, I'm going to open up my lever back with my chain nose pliers, turning it to the left. I'm going to hang on my earring and turn it back to the right, giving it a squeeze. Let's do the other side. Turning it to the left, putting on our earring, and turning it back to the right and giving it a squeeze.